Welcome to AI Side Hustles you can start for free in 2026. Stay tuned as we explore groundbreaking opportunities that can transform your financial future. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video to help it reach more people and educate them. Stay tuned for more powerful videos. Let's dive into these exciting AI side hustles. In 2026, AI technology has become more accessible than ever, allowing anyone to start a side hustle with minimal investment. From AI-driven content creation to automated customer service, the possibilities are endless. Imagine generating income while leveraging cutting-edge technology from the comfort of your home. Let's explore some of these exciting opportunities. First up, AI-driven content creation. With AI tools, you can create stunning digital art, write engaging articles, or even compose music. These tools are user-friendly and often free to start with. Next, consider developing AI-powered apps. With platforms offering no-code solutions, you can create apps that solve real-world problems without needing extensive programming skills. Another exciting opportunity is AI tutoring. With the rise of online education, AI tutors can provide personalized learning experiences for students worldwide. You can start by offering tutoring services in subjects you're passionate about, using AI to enhance your teaching methods. This not only helps students, but also allows you to earn a steady income. AI in customer service is another lucrative side hustle. Businesses are increasingly relying on AI chatbots to handle customer inquiries efficiently. You can offer chatbot development services to small businesses, helping them improve customer satisfaction and reduce operational costs. This is a great way to tap into the growing demand for AI solutions in the business world. As we've seen, AI side hustles offer incredible opportunities to innovate and earn. Whether you're interested in content creation, app development, tutoring, or customer service, there's an AI solution for you. Remember, the key to success is taking action and staying informed. Subscribe for more insights and start your AI side hustle journey today.